All right, so this is the assignment 3. This assignment is design a utensil. So I captured this image from internet. So your task is to select one of utensils shown below and then design using this plan. So you can free modeling as you want, but shapes should be similar with one of utensils below. So I'm going to show you a quick demo how we can just easily create this model, using Fusion 360 Forms Plan. So let's go to the Fusion 360. This is a new canvas. So I'm going to uh, use a create form. So you can sketch it here. So here's one tip. So we can import a image into Fusion 360 and then go copy the image on the sketch. So you can select insert. Before you get started, I provided this image on Blackboard. You can download this image first on your computer, and then you can insert the image. So just click the insert button, and then find the image on your computer. So I downloaded this image. All right, and once you clicked, and it will show you the canvas dialog, and then face, you need to select which face, which origin you want to insert the image. So I'm going to insert the image on XY plane. Select, you see the image, so you can change the size. So I'm going to set like 100 millimeter, so 10 centimeter of this image. And we are ready. So you can select one of the utensil. So I'm going to draw a sketch on this image. So one thing you should be aware of this is that you cannot use the image for your modeling, because this is a vector image. So vector is a little bit different from I'm sorry, this is bitmap image. The image is bitmap. So it consists of the 0 and 1 and the colors. So uh, to convert this one, we need to copy using the geometries. So let me show you a quick demo. So I'm going to draw this object. So start from here, and you can zoom up. So can follow lines. This. Okay. And a little bit more. Just follow the lines. I zoom out. And done. So I created this object. So once you finished, you can finish your sketch. But if you want to edit your selection, so you can really tweak by clicking the image, the lines, outside. Okay, I think that we are ready. So once you finish the sketching, you can click the finish the sketch button, and then you can use the extrude button, extrude. So I'm going to select this geometry that I draw based on this image, if it's along with this image, and select this image, and then there's a pop-up window, the size of this object. So I'm going to type 50 millimeter, or you can say, let's say like 40 millimeter, or 50 millimeter, okay, 40 millimeter. And then you can also change the number of faces. And then I want to keep the front face. Front face is the side. So I can just keep one and okay, let's just see what happens. So I'm going to click OK button and let's draw this object. But let me go back to the images. So I selected the wrong option. So if you click the profile chain selection, this one, I select this object and I'm going to something wrong with my selections. Let's just see what happened. Okay, so this is number is too small, so I think let's increase the number of the faces. So yeah, so because I put too many spline points, so I needed to put more faces. Okay, all right. So I created the object, and then next step is I need to fill the top and bottom. So I can go modify and fill hole and select one of the top edge and then rotate to see the bottom of the object and fill hole and then select one of edges. So then shows your object. So it's up to you, but we have pretty good images. But if you want to add it a little bit more, such as move a little bit down this inside of the head, so you can modify these images by selecting three together and a little bit move down like this. Too much was too much. So yeah. And then you can see your object, right? Or if you want to extrude these areas, so you can also modify the object by selecting faces and stretched out. Yeah, it looks good. So under your browser panel, so you can also hide your images we imported by clicking this canvas here. Here's the picture, right? This image, so you can make it invisible, and you can see your utensil only, right? So all right, so if you finished, you can just click finish, and that's all. So if you want to delete this one, you can just delete these lines, but that's enough. So this is a quick demo of creating utensil.